Worcester, Massachusetts is a great, great marketplace. 50 miles from Boston, but so different. I grew up in a great family. My dad was an incredibly talented man who worked very hard. After graduation, I worked in manufacturing and began to make craft leather goods in Cambridge, Harvard Square, which at the time we called hippie leather goods. It was an interesting era. You know, this factory we're in now, we moved into in 1985. When we were at peak production, just under 500 people in this factory, made for a lot of different industries, always for the highest brands, their personal leather goods wallets. Every week, 60, 65,000 units. And it was very sad to see it diminish to the extent it has. We lost a lot of people, all of whom I respected and really valued, and including their families. It was very, very difficult. But it's, you don't give up on these things, you know. We need partnerships like yourselves that believe in quality, who see the advantage of American manufacturing the story. Everybody looks at leather today and they say, well, what makes one leather better than the other? Well, what makes this better is, number one, they start with the best hides. Very natural, very organic, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. When you pick it up, you'll know it. The quality of the wallet is, number one, is the understanding how to make a wallet. In all the leather goods categories, whether, in our opinion, footwear, belts, apparel, the wallet's the most difficult because it's so exacting. You know, what makes our wallets of a high quality, beyond us understanding it, are the people that make it. They are unbelievable. And, you know, it's not about what they do here, which is everything. It's the loyalty and dependability and the product knowledge that they've acquired over the years. They fundamentally will not do anything wrong. They just won't. You know, what does Made in America mean to me? It sounds so trite, you know, but it's pretty nice at the end of the day to pick up something, a wallet, and know that it really is the best wallet. I think it's the best wallet made in the world. There's a lot here, and all we have to do is put people behind it. I'm excited about CircleRock. I like the story.